What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily import Trello cards from CSV files. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can easily import Trello cards from CSV file. So just head over to Trello.com and log into your account. From here, just make sure that you have an existing board or you can easily create one just by clicking on create or create board from template. So we're going to choose this, then just click on create. Then once done and you have an existing board, just click on this three dot icon, then click on Power Ups. So from the Power Ups page, in the search button, or rather in the search bar, just search for import to Trello by Blue Cat. So just click on this app, then click on add. Click add once again. Just accept the terms and conditions, then authorize with Trello. And from here, you can now easily import CSV files to your Trello page, to your Trello boards, just by clicking on Choose File. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!